Hello, future investors. Today, we're diving into how you can establish your company in Bangladesh as a foreign investor. We're talking about laying the foundation for your business to thrive. Just like any successful business, understanding the local landscape is key. We're going to break down the steps, the regulations, and the procedures. We'll uncover the opportunities and challenges so you can make informed decisions. So let's roll up our sleeves and get down to business. First things first, you got to pick the right business structure. In Bangladesh, you have options, sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company. But let me tell you, for foreign investors, the private limited company, the PLC, that's the workhorse. It's the most common, the most recognized. The PLC offers limited liability protection, which safeguards your personal assets. It also provides a structured framework that's attractive to investors and lenders. You've got a great idea, a vision for your business. Now you need a name, but not so fast. In Bangladesh, you can't just pick a name out of a hat. You need to get it cleared by the Registrar of Joint Stock Companies and Firms, the RJSC. This step is crucial to avoid future conflicts and ensures that your chosen name is available and complies with regulations. Now we're getting into the nitty-gritty, the backbone of your business, the Memorandum and Articles of Association, the MOA and AOA. These documents outline the essential details of your company. Think of it as the rulebook. The MOA defines the company's objectives, while the AOA outlines its internal management. These documents need to be drafted carefully, in accordance with Bangladeshi law, to avoid any legal hiccups down the road. You've got your company structure, you've got your name, you've got your rulebook. Now, you need a place to park your money. You need to open a temporary bank account in Bangladesh. This step is crucial for depositing the required share capital. The bank will issue an encashment certificate, which is proof that you've injected the necessary capital. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for, incorporating your company. You'll gather all your documents, the name clearance certificate, the MOA, the AOA, the bank encashment certificate, and submit them to the RJSC. This is where your company officially comes to life. Once the RJSC reviews and approves your application, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation. You've got your company up and running, but you can't start operating just yet. You need permission to do business in Bangladesh, and that means obtaining a trade license. This license is issued by the city corporation or the municipal authority where your business will be located. You'll need to submit your certificate of incorporation, trade license application, and other relevant documents. Look, nobody likes taxes, but they're a necessary part of doing business. In Bangladesh, you need to register for Value-Added Tax, VAT, and obtain a Taxpayer Identification Number, TIN. This registration is done with the National Board of Revenue, NBR. You'll need to provide your company's incorporation documents and other relevant information. Safety first. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain fire and environmental clearances. These clearances ensure that your operations meet safety and environmental standards. You'll work with the Department of Environment and the Fire Service and Civil Defense Directorate to obtain these clearances. Here's a tip. If you're a foreign investor, register with the Bangladesh Investment Development Authority, BIDA. BIDA is your one-stop shop for investment support in Bangladesh. They provide incentives, guidance, and assistance to foreign investors. Registration with BIDA demonstrates your commitment to the Bangladeshi market. Bringing in talent from overseas? You'll need to navigate the work permit and visa process for your expatriate employees. The process involves obtaining clearance from the Board of Investment and submitting applications to the Immigration and Passport Department. Taking care of your employees is not just good business, it's the law. In Bangladesh, you need to register with the Department of Labor for Social Security. This registration ensures that your employees are covered under the Social Security system, which provides benefits like health insurance and pensions. Each industry has its own set of rules. You need to be aware of and comply with sector-specific regulations. These regulations might cover areas like manufacturing standards, health and safety protocols, or financial reporting. Starting a business in a new country can seem daunting, but with the right information and guidance, it's an achievable goal. Remember, you don't have to navigate these waters alone. Consult with local legal experts who can provide personalized advice and ensure you're on the right track every step of the way. For additional resources and information, be sure to check out the Trade and Investment Bangladesh website. They offer a wealth of knowledge for investors like you. Bangladesh is open for business and the opportunities are ripe for the taking. Take the first step, equip yourself with the knowledge, and start your business journey in Bangladesh today.